The latest addition to our range takes all the strength, quality, and craftsmanship you'd expect from a WESN blade and packs it into our most compact, lightweight knife to date. Inspired by our Scandinavian heritage and steeped in our love for the wilderness. Designed to be the perfect food prep companion for hiking the trails. Our take on the classic friction folder uses a versatile sheep's foot blade shape with lightweight titanium or wood scales for a clean, smooth finish that feels good in the hand. This knife boasts a Sweden-sourced Sandvik stainless steel blade. This top-grade steel gives ultimate hardness and corrosion resistance, with optimized chemistry to minimize microchipping and edge folding. It takes a special blade to unlock the wilderness and make it home. Introducing the SAMLA.